This is how business owners write off their vehicles. They file Form 4562 with their tax return. Now, in order for business owners to write off their vehicles, they must pass 4 tests. 1, the vehicle must be purchased new or used in the same year they want to write it off. 2, the vehicle must be used at least 50% for business. 3, the vehicle must weigh 6,001 pounds or more. 4, the vehicle must be classified as a truck under DOT regulations. Believe it or not, but many SUVs and crossovers qualifies as trucks under DOT regulations. After writing off the cost of their vehicles, business owners can write off other costs such as gas and maintenance. Now, the IRS actually gives you 2 ways to write off your vehicle. One is the actual method, which is the method I just explained, or the mileage method. This is the one most commonly used by business owners and independent contractors because it's simple. Mileage method states that for each mile that you drive, you can deduct 56 cents. So if you drive 10,000 miles, that is a $5,600 tax write-off. The mileage method still requires you to file Form 4562, but instead of filling out the whole thing, you only have to fill out a small portion on the back. Line 24 will ask you if you have evidence and is it written. Next, you will have to fill out the type of car, the date you started using it, and your business use percentage. Lastly, in section B, you fill out the total miles you drove and the total business miles you drove. And that's how you write off a vehicle. My name is Duke and I make taxes very easy to understand. Give me a follow to stay educated.